one. I feel like it's been forever.
I know.
I mean, when was the last time we hung out?
Congratulations on your beautiful collection with Studio Park.
Thank
I
you.
love it.
Thank you. I've got lots coming your way, but a fun little markdown today with the sale price. So, Jeannette, you brought this to us last year from Franco Sarto.
Yes.
Now we've got the 2 new colors, but this was a big hit last year.
Yes, absolutely. Well, there's a reason why it's so well loved, right? And then this is called Carolynn, and when I say Carolynn, it's the upper. When we introduced Carolynn before, I had the lug soles, and this is called Carolynn Low because of the streamlined outsole right here. And what's great about it is that it's rubberized. So what that really means is that when you're wearing this, and you wear it like a flat, it's a walking shoe. So as you're walking all the time, you need something to absorb that friction, and that's what the rubberized outsole does. Plus it has only an 1.2 inch for the outsole. So that what that is great stability, great balance, and so easy to wear. But oh, Amy, look at that comfort right there.
I can see it's like a little mattress inside that foot, right inside that little footbed waiting for us.
What that is patented Informa technology for Franco Sarto, and it's 7 millimeters of ergonomic sculpted padding from heel to the arch of your feet and also to the ball of your feet. So we have you fully covered from day into evening. I mean, you could style it any way you want, from like dresses or a pair of jeans, NYDJ jeans, for example, and you will absolutely be comfortable. What you're holding is what I'm wearing. Yes.
Oh, go ahead, step around the table. Let's check out her outfit. It's a cute one.
What I'm wearing is the natural beige, and I love this because it's made out of fabric. All of these color SKUs are made out of textile, by the way. It's man-made uppers. But what is great about this is that you could see like the inherent Italian fashion, inherent Italian influence in every single one of these color designs. So with this, you can see the piping details, the beautiful tassels, as you could see. And then as I'm walking, you could really see how flexible these outsoles are. So they're lightweight, they're easy to wear, and these neutrals are beautiful and easy to match.
Well, let me just let you guys know, the one that Jeannette is wearing, yeah, we all like that one a lot tonight. And it just got into the store today. So what happens if your size sells out this season? You'll be disappointed you don't have it. So if you want this natural beige, phone lines, that's what you need to do right now, or .com, you know, or use your app, but make sure you're ordering it. I like the blue. I mean, the blue makes me think springtime. I love changing out my accessories first. You can't always go into tank tops, right?
Yes.
Can't always wear crop pants, but you can climb out of the boot and climb into the loafer, and that blue just screams spring. Then this is fun. You're going to see this on Angela in a second with my $35 dress. I love that idea together for transitional fashion. It's silver. And then this one, let me make sure you see the difference because it's in texture. So this almost looks like a linen.
Yes.
And then this has that croco texture to it instead, and we call this one ivory and white.
Ivory and white. Correct.
And then finally your black. And I mean, that's just classic menswear inspired. But look at what Angela did. I never would have honestly thought to put this together with my $35 dress that we're talking about tonight. 2,000 orders placed in that dress already. I mean, this is how you transition into the next season, Jeannette.
Absolutely. Well, I love that you mentioned transition because these are designed to be year-round shoes. So they could be worn with dresses. They could be worn in the winter with trousers, trouser socks and stockings, opaque stockings, for example. So what you're looking at is also inherent Italian craftsmanship, and it's designed to be worn all year round. This is something that will last in your closet. This was something that's also easy to match because look at these gorgeous neutrals, especially the soft blue that Amy is holding. Let's talk about denims. How easy is it to match with those denims and like the gray pants? It's so easy.
And what do you wear when I hear birds and I see sun? And is that like little flower buds growing up from the grass? You do not want to wear your winter boot or even like your winter sneaker when you've got little invites to go to and fun things to do. And I get it, we're not all ready for sandals and peep-toed and open-toed. So let this transition you into spring with its sale price of $55. Brand new in blue. Brand new and loved in natural beige. Then you've got your fun silver, your very pretty ivory and white, and then your classic black option right there. A642692.
True to size and also offered in wides.
Thank you. I should have said that. Forgive me. So whole and half, 5 through 11, and then medium and wide. Thanks, Jeannette. Great to see you.
Good to see you.
All right. I need to give another update.